Okay, question 11. Solve the second moment of area. Use the symbol there. Second moment of area using the void or subtraction technique. Pause the video and when you're ready, press play. Okay, so for those of you that want to play along, when we find the centroid of something, we can use the void technique. So we can imagine that this whole section, outer section, is one big square, and that the inner section is going to be one big square. So you can use that to find the centroid. But notice for this problem, it's nice and symmetric anyhow. So we've got 30 centimeters there, 30 centimeters here. So the middle section will be 120 centimeters. So the middle will simply be 120 centimeters, which is half of that will be 60. 60 plus 30, which will be 90. Don't know why I did that for. I should have taken just the height, shouldn't I? So 180 divided by 2 is 90. So anyway, we don't really need to do that for the to find the centroid. However, more useful, we can find the second moment of area using the same principle that you can take areas away from areas. You can take first moment of areas away from first moment of areas, and you can take second moment of areas away from second moment of areas. So here we have an outer box, which we'll call big B, big D to the power 3, and that will have a width of 140, I can see, and a height, so a depth of 180. The inner section will be, so that my little b will be 120. It doesn't exist, so we need to take it away. And its depth will be 120 again. There's a square in the middle. Right, so let's find those numbers. So you can see that we got the outer box there, 180 depth, 160 width, and an inner box 120, 120. So outer box 160 times by 180 to the power 3. Take away 120 times by 120 to the power 3, and then divide everything by 12, and you should get 60.48 times 10 to the power 6 millimeters to the power 4. And that's it. So I will thank you, and let me know if you've got any problems.